that out of these EPZs, we currently produce for export more than 80 billion shillings worth of goods, which is no mean feat, considering that that's actually about a fifth of Kenya's exports come from these zones. I'm very excited that since the start of the program, originally we thought it would only attract foreign investors, but now a significant number, nearly 40% of the investors in EPZ Kenyans. And more important is that a lot of them are doing value addition to our agriculture, and therefore there's a lot of linkages with the domestic economy, and that's very, very exciting. We obviously would like to see these zones grow more, and that's why we're investing in special economic zones as well, because what we have learned from other countries is if you provide this sort of industrial infrastructure where there is, serviced industrial land, it is easy to provide services and to attract investors in such service land. The government is not the only investor in EPZs. There's actually a lot of private investors as well who have developed the EPZ programs. Of the zones that are gazetted, most of them are actually owned by the private sector. And we encourage the private sector to turn their land into such service sites, and government will offer its services, KRA, the Bureau of Standards, immigration services in such an environment. We have seen growth. One of the things when the president set up the Big Four agenda, one of the commitments within manufacturing is that we'll see an expansion in various select chains, and one of them that was picked is the cotton and apparel sector, agro-processing too. We picked the apparel sector because of its capacity and an employment footprint. As mentioned by Bwana Munyao, sometimes when you think EPZ, you just think textiles because of the employment footprint, but we actually have more agro farms here.
Na tukiachana na hayo ni